my peeps to get paid.
Good morning, YouTube. And I ain't Unleashed back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. This morning we're going to bring you guys the first part of a two-part video series. We're preparing to harvest our shampoo, Pinecone Shampoo Ginger rhizomes. Our Pinecone Shampoo Ginger has been growing here for about 2.5 years now. If you recall from our last video update on this Pinecone Shampoo Ginger, we told you guys we will be coming back soon, digging up all of our rhizomes, moving them over there somewhere near the Easley Island area to a more shady area. And a few of you subscribers to our channel asked us for a few of these rhizomes, so we'll be sending several of these rhizomes out to a few of you subscribers who asked for these rhizomes, and we hope that you have tremendous success in growing these rhizomes there in your area as well. As you can see, we already begin to prepare this area by removing all of the grass in about a 1 foot diameter around our Pinecone Shampoo Ginger here. Our next step is going to be to wet this ground down really well. Here we have some very hard soil here, some mixture of clay, limestone, and a few other things. Not typically the best things to even grow this Pinecone Shampoo Ginger in, but at any rate, we're going to wet this this area down around our Pinecone Shampoo Ginger. We're going to let it soak in for a few minutes to loosen that soil up. We're going to come back. We're going to cut off all of our canes down to about 1 to 2 inches above the soil. We're going to dig up all of our rhizomes. We'll clean them up a little bit, lay them out on our front porch and show you what we have. And we'll bring you back to that video at that time. Thanks for watching. All right, YouTube, as you can see, we've removed all of our canes from our Pinecone Shampoo Ginger planter here. Again, we told you we would cut those canes back to about 2 to 3 inches above the soil level here. We did that. Our next step is to take our water hose, wet this area down really well, let the water soak in to loosen this hard clay-like soil here up. We're going to come back, take our shovel, start digging around the perimeter all the way around and move our way in towards the center. That way we collect all of our rhizomes as we move in towards the center of the bed. We'll bring you guys back for that step when we get ready to do that. Hang tight. All right, YouTube, it is indeed day 2. We're back out at our Pinecone Shampoo Ginger bed here. We're about to dig up these rhizomes and show you guys exactly how much we harvest. We're going to lay them out on our front porch when we're done, and show you exactly what we come up with. Hang tight. We're going to start here along this edge and work our way around towards the center. So we'll dig around the outside and move in towards the center. As you guys can see, this ground is hard as a brick. Although we did indeed soak it. But we're going to see if indeed we can get our rhizomes dug up here without damaging them too much. All right, YouTube, take a look at this. You guys see that? Remember, YouTube, we started with just one tiny rhizome about this size when we first started, and just look at that. Excuse this shoddy camera work. I am the only one out here. Don't have any help in my garden this morning, but look at that, YouTube. And that's not all. Those rhizomes, YouTube. Is that fantastic or what? We're trying to get these up without damaging them too much, but we do indeed intend on replanting some of these, but some of the others we will indeed be drying all the way out and using in some home remedies. Then this ground is unrelenting. You guys can see that clay over there. I'm not sure how this ginger is even really able to successfully grow here in this soil. But as you can see, it did. Underneath this clump right here. Can you guys see that? Look at that, YouTube. Wow. And that's not all. That's not all by a long shot, YouTube. I'm not sure if you guys can see all of that, but yeah. Our Pinecone Shampoo Ginger rhizomes. This is the original rhizome. As you can see, it's really dark. That's the original cut from where it was given to me from my friend Miss Cynthia down the road. This is what I originally planted about 2.5 years ago. I'm going to show you guys what we have in just a few minutes as far as how many Pinecone Shampoo Ginger rhizomes have formed over about the last 2.5 years here. Hang tight. last clump is coming up as one big clump. And that's a good thing. That's a really good thing. If you guys can see that, this is that clay soil I'm telling you about in my front yard. I've been telling you about in all of my videos. The worst possible soil on the planet Earth to grow anything in. But yeah, for some reason, this Pinecone Shampoo Ginger did very well over here in this terrible soil over the past few years. This is that last cluster. I'm gonna get this cleaned up a bit, lay it out on our front porch, and show you guys the results of how many Pinecone Shampoo Ginger rhizomes we harvested in about 2 years from that first rhizome that we showed you a few minutes ago. Hang tight. All right, YouTube, and this is indeed our harvest from our Pinecone Shampoo Ginger. We're going to show you what we originally planted about 2.5 years ago, and then we're going to show you what we harvested as a result of what we planted 2.5 years ago. This dark colored rhizome here is the original rhizome that we received from our friend Miss Cynthia a couple of blocks down the street about 2.5 years ago. We planted that out there in that spot, as you can see. And we will be holding on to this particular rhizome. We will not be driving this one all the way out and using it for medicinal purposes. We will not be shipping this one out to the subscribers to our channel who requested a couple of these rhizomes. Once we did complete our harvest, we will be replanting this one in our garden. We know how well it produces, and we will be hanging on to that one. But yeah, this is what we received from our friend Miss Cynthia about 2.5 years ago. We planted it out there in our front yard. And this is what this particular rhizome produced in the past 2.5 years, YouTube. Take a look at this. So you guys see that I'm going to stand back a little bit and try to get all of this in the frame. And I'll take you guys back in for a close-up. But yeah, can you see the tremendous amount of rhizomes that one original rhizome has produced over the past 2.5 years? Our largest clump by far is this one. I'm going to hold this one up for you guys now that we have it all cleaned up. Yeah, it's our largest clump by far, followed closely in second by this one. And I honestly cannot be more pleased by the way this Pinecone Shampoo Ginger grew out there in that terrible, poor clay soil that we have out there in our front yard. You guys saw it when I was out there digging it up, and it's like the worst soil possibly on the planet Earth that you could ever choose to grow anything in. I planted it there, and it did well. I cannot complain about what we harvested from what we originally planted 2.5 years ago. A lot of this we will dry out and use for medicinal purposes. Some of this we will be indeed replanting in our garden. And a few of these rhizomes we will indeed be shipping out to a few of you subscribers to our channel. And you will know who you are when you receive these in the mail. At any rate, YouTube, thanks for watching this video. And if you are indeed watching this video, you're not currently subscribed to the Green Thumbs Gardening channel, please take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well if you don't mind. Thanks. We truly would appreciate it. Yeah. Harvesting our Pinecone Shampoo Ginger rhizomes. Right here at the Green Thumbs Gardening channel. Grow Zone 8B, Tifton, Georgia. Thanks for watching, YouTube.
Trying to pave the way for me and my peeps to get paid. Hit the bathroom, splash some cold water on my face. Okay, thanks to job for letting this light you see another day. Herbal meditation, elevation is the booth. Ain't much of a drinker, but they call this lion 100 proof. Ain't 1990, but this lion's about to raise the roof. Get tested, let me tell you what this lion's gonna do. I'm known for ripping hitters just like I did the last time. Cause I shut them down every time I say what's on my mind. It was 8 years ago when I first hit the rap game. And way back then nobody really even knew my name. But it's a different time, a different city, different state. I started out small, but now this lion's heavyweight. Can you picture this? Sit back and watch me reminisce. I'm knocking haters off and I got your name up on my list. This lion's on the rise. You can see it in my eyes. I'm aiming for the top prize. I know it's been a minute. That don't mean I fell off. Rap king of the streets, and yeah, I'm still the boss. Each time my haters test me, they fall.